Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? Today, I'm going to share with you how you can travel, how you can study in USA for free, how you can travel to USA for free. This is something that you are interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. See, I'm not sleeping. I'm constantly looking for opportunities that will benefit you guys. So if you're new to this channel, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Today, I'm so excited to bring to you guys. I'm actually the brain behind this whole idea or this whole opportunity is a woman, a billionaire, the heiress to our famous Walmart. But before we get there, let's just get right into today's business. Don't worry, I'm going to share with you the backstory. But today, it's about how you can study in the United States free of charge. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go. Bestie, have you been dreaming of becoming a doctor, but you think that it is too expensive? Today, I'm going to show you how you can become a doctor free of charge, like I tell you here in the United States. Have you heard about Alice Walton's bold new medical school? Do you know that they are changing healthcare forever? If you know someone that is a doctor that has always dreamt of becoming a doctor, even if it's not you, please share this video with them. Have you heard that there's an opportunity here in USA that can help make that dream become a reality? Imagine going to medical school and paying zero tuition. I know it sounds impossible, especially here in the United States. But guess what? America's richest woman, Alice Walton, just made it become a reality. In Bentonville, Arkansas, she just opened a revolutionary medical school and she is promising free tuition for the first 5 graduating classes. It's not just about the money, but it's about rethinking how doctors are trained and how medicine should be practiced, because the goal of the school is to train doctors to prevent diseases rather than just treat symptoms. Now, have you heard of Alice L. Walton School of Medicine? They are actually transforming healthcare. And yes, so if you're new here, welcome back to my channel where we dive into opportunities that are shaping our future. And today, we're looking at how Alice Walton, the billionaire Walmart heiress, is shaking up the world of healthcare education with a bold new experiment. In case you're thinking, could this change how doctors everywhere are trained? Let's go ahead and find out. So guys, here is the big announcement. Alice Walton's new project is called the Alice L. Walton School of Medicine, right in her own hometown of Bentonville, Arkansas. The school just welcomed its first class of 48 students, but here is the catch. More than 2,000 applicants tried to get in, and that makes it one of the most selective medical programs in the United States. But hey, it is worth it. Give it a try. And for those that are lucky enough to make it, Walton is covering their tuition completely free of charge for the first 5 graduating classes. So guys, that is millions of dollars in tuition costs erased. But Walton is not just funding only doctors. She is trying to change medicine itself, a different kind of medicine. And in case you're wondering, her goal is to prevent diseases, yes, rather than cure. So unlike traditional medical schools that focus mostly on diagnosing diseases and prescribing treatment, the Alice L. Walton School of Medicine is centered around whole person care, which means that students are trained to see patients as more than their symptoms. They will learn how to integrate mental health, lifestyle choices, and emotional well-being into treatment. In other words, treating the human being, not just the illness. Now this approach was actually inspired by Walton's own story. After surviving a serious car accident, she realized that healing is about more than just physical recovery. It's about emotional, mental, and even spiritual care. And these are the things that she wants to inculcate in her own medical school. So guys, if this is something that you've always dreamt of, this is your best shot. The campus itself reflects their vision, which is designed to promote wellness. They feature rooftop gardens, reflection spaces, wellness studios where future doctors can learn self-care alongside the patient care. The environment is also built to remind students that healing starts with balance, something that is often missing in today's high-stress healthcare system. And why does this matter? And truly, look at it, even doctors in traditional universities are stressed out. So becoming a doctor in the US is expensive. The average medical student graduates with over $200,000 in debt, and that debt pushes many doctors into high-paying specialties just to pay the bills. So instead of choosing fields like maybe family medicine or rural care where doctors are desperately needed, by removing tuition costs, Walton hopes that her students will have the freedom to pursue the kind of medicine that truly changes life forever. Now, it is not just about philanthropy. This is a challenge to the entire system, asking them to rethink how they train doctors, how they pay for education, and what medicine should actually look like in the future. And that's why this woman has decided to make it through free tuition, whole person care, wellness-centered campus. This is a radical experiment in reimagining healthcare. And if they succeed, of course they will, it could inspire other institutions to follow suit and shift balance of medicine from treating illness to actually building wellness and reducing sickness and death, unnecessary death. Alice Walton's new medical school is more than just a gift to Arkansas. It could be the blueprint for the future of healthcare. But what do you think? Should all medical schools move towards free tuition and holistic care, or is this just a billionaire's passion project? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think other schools are going to follow suit? Let's discuss more in the comments. For more information like this and innovation, travel opportunities, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when next I have another juicy opportunity for you guys. The next generation of doctors may not just treat patients, they may transform how we think about health, and it all starts in the school, Bentonville, Arkansas. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's episode. Please do well to like this video, share this video, and tell a friend about this amazing opportunity that I've just shared with you guys in today's video. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, mostly fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week. And yes, make it a day to join me on this channel. Same time, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.